All right, so you're warmed up now. So let's get into eXp Enterprise. And this is your business dashboard. It provides you with one place to access all of your eXp resources. So you should have already received an email with the subject line, "Welcome to eXp Realty," with your passport account. If you don't have that email, please let us know and we'll work with eXp to get you connected. It's super important. You'll need to activate your passport in order to log in. And eXp Passport is a single sign-on system that allows you to access many of eXp Realty tools all in one place. So it's pretty cool. So in the email that you received, simply click on the Activate Your Passport to get started. And please, please do not put this off. Do it now. This should really be done immediately. Well, for one, the link expires in 30 days. So if you wait too long, well, you're going to have to start again. So the activation process will require two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security because it has access to all your money, so it's very important, right? So once you're successfully logged in, you can see your new business dashboard. You'll now be able to access all your eXp resources in one place, and we'll go through exactly what they are. So to access eXp tools, look at the technology section on the dashboard. This is where you can access SkySlope for transaction management, which we'll go into more detail in another video. KV Core, which is a super powerful CRM and lead generation tool. Again, we'll go on a little bit further. You can turn on marketing with Make It Rain, which allows you to generate leads on demand. Hell yeah. This is a place where you download eXp World. This is where you can generate eXp World Guest Pass, which are really, really cool for potential new recruits, which we'll cover in Agent Attraction. And under Resources and Education, you can see all the upcoming live training on the calendar there. 10 to 15 hours of live training every single day by world-beating agents. I mean, that is awesome. You can even become an eXp mentor for other agents, access tech support. You can really easily submit a tech ticket and get help from eXp tech support. They're really, really good at this. They're here to support your business. Remember, at eXp, you're in business for yourself, but you're not in business by yourself. Icons and the whole eXp team are there to help you succeed. You also have a marketing and branding section for everything from sign options, logos, great customizable marketing, business cards, all in one place. And again, if you've got any questions, well, there's a good chance that it's already been answered. And the quickest way to get answers to your questions is eXp Explore. Here's a quick action item for you. Bookmark explore.exprealty.com. That's explore.exprealty.com. This way you can just quickly navigate and access smoothly, all in one place, right? If you've got any questions, type it in there, and I'm sure you're going to find an answer. You're going to love it. How to access your business dashboard. Simply click on the tab that reads Dashboard. You can track your volume, your units sold, your growth rate, track your business monthly, annually, see all your historical transaction data all in one place. I mean, how cool is that? Be able to really look exactly how your business is performing and see your growth. And that's what we want to do, is help you grow. I know you're itching to cap, right? Who doesn't want to cap and get to 100% commissions, right? So your dashboard tracks your capping summary, your revenue share summary, the fees you paid, everything all in one place. eXp is a technology-driven brokerage. How cool is that? You can track all your equity programs and rewards. You can see the number of eXp Realty shares and the price you earn those shares at. Do you remember how you earn stock from the model explained? When you recruit an agent, when you sell your first deal, and the program that everyone should be enrolled in, where you invest a percentage of your commissions to buy back stock at a 20% discount. That is a no-brainer. If you're not enrolled, go and get enrolled. This is a place that keeps track of all that stock that you've earned. To track your revenue share, simply click on, you guessed it, Revenue Share tab under Finance. You can see all of the agents you sponsored and all of your frontline qualifying agents. So, you can see the agents that aren't qualifying and how to help them. And what you wait till you see our agent attraction training, and man, we're going to help you grow your organization. So you can track the total size of your revenue share group in your organization and see exactly how many people have joined in the last 30 days. And we want that number to be huge. And most importantly, you can see all the unpaid revenue share, so you can see what to expect on your next check. This is easily accessible right here on the side navigation bar under Finance by clicking on the Revenue Share tab. Also, we've got transactional details. Click on, you guessed it, transactional section, and get an overview of all of your personal performance. Knowing what percentage of cap you've paid, knowing what percentage of your E&O, your risk management fee. You can look at your pending closings, all your withdrawals, all your cancels, all your open transactions by specific date, or by simply clicking on the transaction tab. And don't forget to download the app. So get out your phone, go to your app store, and search OKTA Mobile, OKTA Mobile, and download the app. Once you've downloaded the app, it's pretty easy. Enter your organization as eXp Realty, put in your name and your password, the same thing you logged in with Enterprise for. That'll give you mobile access to all the benefits of Enterprise, all in one place, right? eXp World, eXp Explorer, be able to generate guest pass on demand, all in one place, right on your mobile phone by downloading the OKTA mobile app to your smart device. All right, so that was a long one. So here's the action steps. Activate your passport. Go and get that done now. And then log into enterprise.com and click on some of the links so you can get familiar with the tools, because you're going to want to be tracking your business. And then downloading the app, the OKTA app to your phone. So activate your passport, log into enterprise.com and download the OKTA map. Spend a couple minutes getting that done, and I'll see you on the next video.